You may know a few mudras, but have you ever wondered where do they all come from, or what do they mean, or how many of them are there? So today in this video, I'm going to teach you the 28 Hasta Mudras or hand gestures which are called Asamyuta Hastas. As per Abhinaya Darpanam, we'll be doing the shloka and its meaning. These are the most fundamental mudras in Bharatnatyam. They are used in Nritta as well as Abhinaya. Before we dive into it, we first learn how to say the shloka correctly, which is very beautifully put by Nandikeshwara. So it means Asamyuta Hasta, which is single hand gestures. Let's do it together. Pataka stri patako ardha pataka kartari mukaha mayurakyo ardha chandrascha arala shukatundakaha mushtischa shikarakyascha kapitta kataka mukaha suchi Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpashirastatha, Mrugashirsha, Simhamukha, Kangulascha, Alapadmakaha, Chatura, Brahmaraschaiva, Hamsasya Hamsapakshakaha, Samdamsham, Mukulaschaiva, Tamrachuda, Trishulakaha, Iti Asamyuta Hastanam Ashta Vimshatiririta. Now, let's break down each and every gesture, understand its meaning, and also learn how to do it correctly. First one is Pataka, where we are bending the thumb and keeping it closer to the palm. It means a flag. Next is Tripataka, where we are bending the ring finger, and this means a tricolor flag. Next is Ardha Pataka, which is half flag. Here we are just bending the baby finger and joining it with the others. Next, Kartari, where the index finger and the middle finger are going apart, and you can keep the thumb here or join it here. Usually we end up keeping it near the palm. It means scissors. Next is Mayura. Mayura means peacock or peacock feather, where the ring finger and the thumb is joining like this. And next is Ardha Chandra, which means half moon. Here all the other fingers are joining in together except for the thumb, which is coming out like this. Now let's talk about Arala. Here the index finger is bending as well as the thumb. It doesn't have a specific meaning, but it means bent. So here, since we are bending the index finger, the meaning makes sense. Now comes the Shukatundaka Hasta. Here we are bending the ring finger, and this is meaning a parrot's head. Next is Mushti, which is just a closed fist where all the fingers are coming in together. Then lifting the thumb up is a Shikhara, which is a peak of a mountain. Now is Kapita. Here we are placing the index finger over the thumb like this. It means a wood apple. Next are Katkamukaha. There are three types. Sometimes the first one is done like this or like this, where both the fingers are placing on the thumb. Second Kadakamuka is when the last two fingers are lifted, that is your ring finger and your baby finger. The last Kadakamuka starts with a combination of Kapita, then middle finger remains in place and the other two are lifted up like this. So in shloka, we say it together as Kadakamukaha, which means opening of a bracelet. Next is Suchi. Suchi means index finger coming up like this, and it means a needle. Now for the next one, Chandrakala, where the thumb is lifted up and the index finger is pointed out while the others are folded like this. It means a digit of a moon or a crescent moon. Padma Kosha, here you're creating a hollow with all your fingers, and it means a lotus bud particularly because Padma means a lotus. Now next is Sarpa Shirsha, where all the fingers are curling in like this, making it look like a snake. So Sarpa Shirsha is a snake head. Now for the next one, Mrugashirsha. All three fingers are coming down except for baby finger and the thumb, which are pointing up like this. It means a deer's head. For the next one, which is Simhamukha, here the two middle fingers, that is the ring finger and the middle finger, are joining on the thumb while the index finger and the baby finger are pointed up. It means a lion's face. Kangula, you have to curl the ring finger like this and create the hollow with other remaining fingers, and this means a bell. Alapadma, it means a full-blown lotus where all fingers are coming out like this beautifully, giving it a look of a bloomed lotus. Chatura, here the thumb is folding inside like this while the baby finger is coming out and all the other three fingers are bending. It means four sides of a square or a square. Next is Brahmara, Here we are curling the index finger in like this and joining the middle finger as well as the thumb together. This means a B. Now, Hamsasya. Here we are joining the thumb and the index finger. It means a swan. The next one is Hamsapakshaka, where the thumb is placed delicately on the index finger while the baby finger is slightly lifted up. It means a swan's wing. Now is Samdamsham, where the fingers are opening and closing like this. It means pincers. Next is Mukula, where all fingers are tucked like this on the thumb. It means a bud. Now the next one is Tamrachura, where only the index finger is lifted and curved like this. It means a cock. And the last one, Trishula, where we are joining the thumb over the baby finger like this. It means a trident. So these were the 28 single hand gestures as per Abhinaya Darpanam. But there are a few more single hand gestures which were taken up from different scripts, and we also use them in dance. So let's try to understand what are they and how to do it as well. First one is Vyagraha. So it's coming up like this, where we are curling all the fingers and yet they are spread out, and it means a tiger claw. Next is Ardhasuchi. So from Suchi, when you're keeping the thumb in the middle of the index finger, it means Ardhasuchi or half needle. Next is Urnanabha. Urnanabha means a spider. For the next one is Kataka. Now for Kataka, it's like you're getting all the middle finger and the ring finger in the center with the thumb, leaving enough space, and then lifting the index finger and the baby finger. Not exactly straight, but we can sort of curl it. We usually use it as a damru, but it means a bracelet. Bana, where we are extending the baby finger while others are joining the thumb like this. It usually means an arrow, but is used to show number 6. The next one is Palli, where we are crossing the fingers, the first two fingers, while the next two fingers are kept like this. So this means crossed fingers. Now for a final tip, usually when we do all this in class, I tell my students to practice it on both the hands and not just one hand. Even if it's single hand gesture, we at times use it on our right and left hand both. So in order to get used to it, you can start using it on both the hands and practice it that way. Other than that, I've seen a lot of students struggle with the Hasta Mudras because their fingers don't bend. So I would suggest you to do some exercises before you get into this. Would you like a PDF handout for all these 28 hand gestures with meanings as well as pictures? Then join the WhatsApp GGG community today, where I will be sharing some extra tips, my personal experience, and some knowledge as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if any of these mudras you have ever tried and would like to share it with me. Namaste. See you in the next video.